Okay, let's take any video. I'll show you a little more about the how to rank videos. Okay, this is really important. You need to first of all check about the on-page optimization. It's the same thing like any website. The title need to have your keywords. The description need to have your keywords if it is possible. If a little more than around 300 or between 100 and 300 words is it's going to be the same. You need to give a content. You need to put your keywords, everything. I'm taking just this one to make an example, okay? Let's do this one. I take this one and I took just the three keywords from the title. I open Money Robot, go to new campaign, and first of all, really, really important, guys, is to create account. Remember that part and reuse those accounts, okay? Right click on this area and the gray area, and then go ahead and let's create account. In this particular case study or sample, I will take the first keyword like my account name too. I will create it. Perfect. Okay. And then I go and take the video, inventing power. Okay, this one. Few things you need to do. First of all, create campaign to those videos you want to rank. Okay, that's the first thing. And then we're gonna add here the URL, video URL here. You're gonna add the um, keywords you want to work with. Usually I put 50. I don't use more than 50. Also, you can add on your generic keywords your brand name. No brand.com, brand name. Okay, that helps. Or the next URL too. Does it. First of all, create new accounts. Done. Then generic 50. Then let's create the article with these ones. And in this area, in this area, I'm gonna add the same YouTube URL. Okay, let's wait until finish. It's taking a little longer than usual. Let me see which. Okay, English. Yes. Sometimes I have here Spanish, so that's why I double check. Okay, we got it. Then we add it. I usually leave it on the before insert. Perfect. Okay, you can click on preview. Okay, there is your video. You see, oh well. You can take this out if you prefer to look like Russian. Okay. Sometimes I just take this and do some little changes. Like if you have any other, doesn't matter really if you have in English or not. If you have another extra word or not, but I still clean a little. Okay. Money Robot article creator R. much better every time. They are working a lot with the um, new updates, and they are doing really, Nick and Ion are doing really good job on that. It's much better than a couple years ago. Um, I still go, especially when it's Spanish or something like that. I usually go and clean a little, chun chun chun, and then I create it. Okay. What happened here is whatever you did here, the URL of your video need to have to be in three places: on the campaign monetize URL area, on your YouTube here to insert, and also in your video tab. Okay, you need to add here also. If you add it here, you're gonna get a little more views or a couple likes per day, something like that. But the most important is anything you add here, you need to have a campaign running. Okay, don't do it separate. Don't do the campaign for one part and the video at on other part. Need to be together. That's what is gonna give you an extra power. You go and insert that, and then this one is if you see they put it whatever is already. Okay, you're done with that part, and then go ahead and click start. Okay, remember your URL from the video need to be in three different places: on the URL area, on the YouTube video, and then on the video tab. Okay, I hope with this it's gonna be more clear about how to do the ranking. Don't forget to work on the titles and description of your videos too. Okay, thank you.